Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to cover a complete tutorial on using Zerodha Kite. That is one of the most popular trading platform in India. If you are a beginner, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about Zerodha Kite. Zerodha Kite is a sleek and powerful trading platform provided by Zerodha. It offers real-time market data, advanced charts, and a user-friendly interface for seamless trading. Setting up your Zerodha Kite account. First, if you have not created a Zerodha account, you will need to visit the Zerodha website, sign up, complete the KYC process, that is eKYC process. I will save the link in the description. After that, once your account is set up, log in the Zerodha Kite platform using your client ID and password. Don't forget to enter your 2FA pin as well. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Here is a quick overview of the interface, including the market watch, orders, holdings, positions and funds also. This is my Zerodha account. So this is the watch list, orders, portfolio, bids. So in this watch list one, there are some stocks which I already added, like HDFC, Infosys, TCS, ONGC, Hindustan Unilever, and orders like executed, GTT, open order. So this is the overview. And navigating the dashboard, market watch. The market watch allows you to keep track of your favorite stocks that you have added in your watch list. Orders. In the order section, you can view all your pending, completed and rejected orders. Holdings. The holding tab shows your current investments. It gives you details like quantity, average price, and the current market value of the stocks. Positions show your intraday trades. It helps you track how your trades are performing in real time. Like if you are traded in the intraday or in a day, then it will show you the profit or loss on a particular day. And funds provides you the view of the balance of your amount in your Zerodha account. Placing an order on Zerodha Kite. Types of orders. Zerodha Kite allows you to place various types of orders such as market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders and bracket orders. Placing a buy order to buy stocks from the watch list. Placing a sell order to sell stocks from the order list. So this is the complete theoretical part of the Zerodha. So this is my Zerodha account, and here you will see watch list, orders, portfolio, bids. Here we will see how to buy and sell the stocks in the Zerodha account. So we will go to the watch list 2. In watch list 2, we will add some stocks, like we will search here. Suppose example Tata Power. So here is a Tata Power. So we add this. Suppose we want to add some more stocks like Reliance. We add this also in this watch list 2, and then one more stocks, Infosys. So we add this also. So now what our watch list 2 created, like Tata Power, Reliance, Infosys. So if you want to buy Tata Power, so just click on this Tata Power. So here you will get the option buy and sell. In this buy section, we will see the regular AMO iceberg. So in this regular section, we have to put the quantity, like quantity 1 we are using. Now we are using 10 quantity for buying 10 Tata Power stocks. So here if you swipe up, you can buy this stocks, but due to market close right now, we can't buy this. So this is the process of buying the stocks. And if you already bought it, like if you buy in the market hour during the market period, then your stocks will show executed here, like open market. Here you will see your Tata Power stocks, and here you will see the executed stocks. I will show this in the live current market, then you will understand more. Thank you.